Top 3 cool hand gadgets for you. 1. LED Light Up Glove. SpyX LED Glove. Light up missions and play. All occasions, perfect for events with easy controls. Cool Spy Handwear for bright LEDs for dual play.
2. Blue Xtensor Hand Exerciser. Strengthens hands, fingers, and elbows. Customized tension for personalized workouts. Includes a pad for wear during exercises. Convenient strap for easy use. Versatile design.
3. Ultra Bionic Blaster STEM Experiment Kit. Build your own air-powered robotic blaster glove. Learn pneumatics and physics. No batteries needed. Adjustable fit fits different hand sizes. Kit includes 6 foam darts. Full color manual. 20-page guide with QR codes for troubleshooting and assembly videos. Ages 10 plus with help or 12 plus independently. 2022 Estra Best Toys Winner Science category.
Get them on Amazon. Links to these cool gadgets are provided in the description. Must check them out for more info. Thank you.